Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you're all having a great summer. In this short video, I'll teach you how to go from www to UnityWebRequest. So basically, www is obsolete, and what I'm showing you here on the screen is an example of how you could fetch an image from the internet using the obsolete method. So we have an URL, and then in a coroutine, we are creating a www object, and when we create that object, we automatically create a request that is sent, and then we fetch that using the old method. And the result of that is basically that we are getting an image on the screen, and we do that with an image inside a canvas, and then on our script we just assign that image. So let's see what's happening when we click play. So we are loading in a nice little image here of a bird. So that's cool. So now let's go back into the code and do it the new way. So firstly, we will replace www with a UnityWebRequest. And to do this, we will import Unity engine.networking. And then instead of getting a new www, we will create a special UnityWebRequest texture and get texture at that URL. And of course, you can do other things than fetching textures. So if you just want to fetch text, as an example, you will create a regular UnityWebRequest and then just create a get method doing UnityWebRequest.get and then the same URL. And then when you have gotten the result of that request, you can go into the download handler and get the text. But for now, we will stick with getting a texture. So here we are going to call a method on the object called sendWebRequest. We didn't have to do that before. You have to do that now, otherwise the request won't be sent. And this is an async operation. So on that async operation, we can now receive the progress. So we are still able to have that functionality. And then simply what we do is that we create a variable to hold our texture when we have done and made sure that there are no errors. And to do that, we'll use a download handler texture.getContent. And then we will pass in the request, which now has the result. And then inside the creator for the sprite, we simply replace the texture. And then everything should work just as before. So let's just quickly check that it does. And there it is. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'll see you next time.